Hey, I'm back. Hey, can you hear me? Whatever.
I am from Konya Nesibe Aydın High School. Let's flashback.
Gördün mü?
Ben de ışığım var.
Evet.
I wanted to be light. However, I got disappointed after watching a popular science documentary. I learned that I had to lose all my mass to transform into a photon. So I decided to capture photons instead of being a photon.
My favorite activity is aircraft spotting, and I'm using that little one since my main camera is recording me right now. Whatever, here comes that 737.
I also love to capture the Milky Way, the moon, and that lamp right there in my room, which I liken to the equation R equals sine 2.5 theta. Besides capturing, I also love creating visual art. For example, that graphic design for a Midsummer Night's Dream drum. By the way, I played Nick Butler.
Here with me, I am your, oh my lord, what is this monster?
But my favorite graphic designing tool is Desmos because I literally code with it. I also code other things. I code web programs, open source applications, and I also code the virtual Turkish Stars teams and F5 aircraft's aerodynamics. Not to mention, I'm a huge Star Wars fan. And let me show you one of the clips I created.
We seem to be made to suffer. It's our lot in life.
I collect flight tickets because they represent all the opportunities outside my city which I travel to get in competitions, conferences, and summer camps.
I am also attending EMA all over Turkey and finally managed to make the first one in my city with the highest budget ever.
See you soon, Brown.